Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a blog post info on the Patch Tuesday updates of today for Windows 10 and for Windows 11. Microsoft does say that this should also push to you the new certificates for Secure Boot that are expiring in June. So look for an update that might show up in the next hours or days. It will actually show up, and I'm going to show you here because mine is already there. And it's in the update history here for me. Oops. It shows up as a key update, so you got to have other updates. So Secure Boot allowed key exchange key. This is what it looks like on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So with the Patch Tuesday updates of this month, March, a lot of people will have this pushed through their Windows updates. And these are the updated keys for Secure Boot. So this should be installed on PCs through Windows Update for the most part. There could be exceptions to the rule where they will be installed through for example, the manufacturer, UEFI, BIOS update, stuff like that. But for the most part, Windows Update will be downloading this update. So you will have a standalone update that will actually install the key. And this will update you with the new good certificates for your PC. Once again, for those that wonder if you don't have it, what happens? When you get to June, when the certificates expire, your PC still continues working and there's no problem. It's just that it doesn't have the security updates for the Secure Boot, and also will miss on some Secure Boot features that have security updates in them. But for the most part, your PC still continues to work like normal. It ain't gonna break anything after June. It's just a security hazard. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.